Hello everyone, my name is Gerald from Multisoft Corporation, your MLM solutions provider. Do you want to know how to set the recurring events on your calendar using your MLM software? Well, to set it up, all you just need to do is log in as an admin to your system. All right. Once you're logged in, you should be able to see now the admin toolbar. The next thing that you want to do is hover your mouse on top of company and then look for management menu. Then click on that. Okay. Once you click that, you'll be redirected to this page wherein you can see all of the events for your calendar. All right. The next thing that you want to do, let's say, for example, the product training is the one that we're going to have this set to a recurring event. All you just need to do is click add it. Okay. Once you click add it, you'll be redirected to this page. And what you want to do here is focus on this module here. Okay. Let's say, for example, you want to have this weekly. All right, every Sunday of each week. All right. So once you do that, all you just need to do is click the save and close button. And then you'll be redirected to the previous page. And there you go. So this product training is now a reoccurring event, and it's happening every, I believe that was Sunday or Saturday of each month. So that's the 21st, and then the 28th, and the 4th of February. All right, so that's it. And that's pretty simple, right? And thank you for viewing this webinar and hope you learned something from this. And please share this webinar training with your company administrators and support team in order to enhance the services you provided to your customers and distributors. We appreciate your feedback and input, and please let us know if this helped and how we can improve supporting you. And if you have any question about this or any other trainings, or would like to schedule a one-on-one training with one of our CSRs, or would like to speak with a Multisoft account executive, please call us at 239-945-6433 free or submit help desk ticket request at helpdesk@marketpowerpro.com. Thank you.